So this is gonna be how to replace the battery in a Nissan Leaf. Depends on which year the Nissan Leaf you have is, but I have bought these batteries, the 2032 lithium batteries. Actually, I'm not sure if that's the right correct battery for this type of model. I think it's a 2019 model. I don't know. Whatever. You're gonna start off by taking this, pressing that upwards, so you get the mechanical key. Look at that magic. Yeah, you don't need that anymore. You don't need that for this. I have here a Phillips screwdriver. You do not need that at all, so just put that away. I didn't find a normal screwdriver, so I'm just using this. I don't even have to use this sharp end, I can just use this end. So you have this little, I'm gonna see it here. Should we see it there? Come on, that one, right there. You see there's a little groove in the key. What you want to do is to, maybe I should use the sharp edge to actually show you. You have to put something in there to separate everything from each other, like that. I think. I've never done this. This is my first time doing this shit. Key fob is quite expensive as well, so it's not the best thing to start off with, but I am a EV technician. Okay, so here's the battery. Should be a fairly simple replacement now. Just get something underneath and it'll pop out. Note that the minus side was up, but it actually also says here that the plus side is being inserted there. Let's read this. This is actually the CR2025, so I bought the wrong batteries, which has brought me now to discontinue this video. But right now it would be to take this battery out, put it back in there, put this back on this, and yeah, then you have a fully functional key fob again, hopefully, unless it's full of water or corrosion, which this actually is. This is full of corrosion. Look at that. This is my parents' car. They're probably gonna get pissed because they have to pay for this stuff if Nissan actually checks this. So yeah, what a fun little eventful video this was. But there you go. That's how you replace the battery. I learned something today, so that's cool. You can also use this. God damn it! You can use this as for opening the front door, but it won't actually do anything with the other 3 doors. Just so you know that. Yeah. And then what you do to start the car is that you leave even though the battery is dead. I think as long as it has some kind of voltage, the coil around the I do think it's the coil that does it. If not, they have a some kind of a magnet or something in the starter button that actually makes the key not fully bad, so you can actually use the key even though it's dead. So that's a smart tip for you. And if you want a faster, more fun car than a Leaf, then buy a Tesla, because it's still an EV, or you can buy a Mercedes or whatever. This wasn't supposed to be a video about what cars to buy, but anyway, there you, oh fuck, shit. Yeah, there you go. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Hasta la pasta. Corrosion.